Using the search version, the Context tab provides a list of words according to how frequently they occur in the pericope displayed in the Bible outline, in the current book or current chapter that is displayed in the Browse window. Let's take a look at the book context list box. All of the words in the book that you are studying are listed there, with the most frequently occurring words at the top. If you wish to save the word list for later use, you can right-click within one of the list boxes and choose Export List to Word List Manager. The word list can then be saved under File in the Word List Manager. To create a list of all the words in the book that is displayed in the Browse window, right-click in the Book Context List box and choose Export List to Word List Manager. This will create a list of all the words from the book that is currently displayed in the Browse window. A word list for a book or verse range can also be created by using the Word List Manager. On the main menu, click on Tools, Analyzing the Text, and then Word List Manager. Click on the button Load or Generate Word List. Select your version in the drop-down box. I'll choose the NAS. The source should be Load Words from a Bible Version. And in the verse range box, type a book name if you wish to include all the words in a book. If I wish to view all the words in the book of Philippians, I'll type PHI, then click Create List. I now have a list of all the words in the book of Philippians. If I wish to view a list of words for just a particular verse range, I can follow a similar procedure. Click on the button Load or Generate Word List. Choose the version. Again, I'll choose the NAS. For source, keep Load Words from a Bible Version. And then under verse range, enter the verse range that you wish to use. I've typed in PHI 2:6-11. Then click on Create List.